If you rely on clean, stable DC power, choosing the right converter is one of the most important upgrades you can make. The IOTA DLS 30 power converter is engineered to deliver dependable performance, protect your batteries, and give you peace of mind every time you plug in. From RVs and mobile setups to off-grid and workshop applications, this unit is built to perform where reliability truly matters. High-quality engineering is the hallmark of IOTA Engineering, and the DLS series clearly reflects that standard. The DLS 30 provides exceptionally clean DC output, helping protect sensitive electronics while ensuring efficient and consistent charging. With a 400-watt output delivering up to 30 amps, it is powerful enough to support high-demand systems and charge lead-acid batteries directly with confidence. One of the biggest advantages of the DLS 30 is its flexibility. It is compatible with optional plug-in charging modules that allow you to tailor the charge profile to different battery types. Whether you are currently using flooded batteries or planning to upgrade in the future, this converter is ready to adapt without needing to replace the entire unit. That means better battery health, longer service life, and less worry about overcharging or boiling. The compact design is another major benefit. Measuring just over 32 centimeters in length, this unit takes up less space than many older converters while offering improved performance. The lighter, more efficient form factor makes installation easier and can even free up valuable storage or equipment space in your setup. For users who boondock, camp off-grid, or depend heavily on battery power, maintaining proper charging is critical. The DLS 30 delivers a stable, well-managed charge that helps keep batteries in optimal condition even under frequent cycling. This translates into more usable power, fewer battery replacements, and greater overall system efficiency. If you are looking for a proven, high-quality converter that balances power, precision, and long-term reliability, the IOTA DLS 30 is an excellent choice. Check the link in the video description to view full details and purchase today, and subscribe to the channel to discover more smart power solutions and equipment upgrades that help you get the most from your system.